Good evening, students. We have finished learning about all the 7 continents. Now we'll start the next part, that is water bodies, the blue colored part of the world, our globe. 97% of Earth's total area is covered with water. That's why it is known as a blue planet. Okay? And the Earth is mainly covered by 5 oceans. The 5 oceans, starting from biggest to smallest, we come to the Pacific Ocean, which is the biggest ocean. Then we move on to Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest ocean. From here we move on to Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean. From Indian Ocean we go to Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean towards South Pole, near the continent of Antarctica. Southern Ocean, the second smallest ocean, and then finally the smallest ocean towards the North Pole, that is Arctic Ocean. The smallest ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Now students, one by one we will learn about these oceans. First, we will move on to the largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean covers almost 50%, half of the entire water present on Earth. That is, it exactly covers 46% of the Earth's water surface. See how huge it is? Now it seems to divide North America and South America from Asia and Australia. It divides America from Australia and also Asia. Alright? So it is in between them. Here, here we find in this ocean the deepest point of the earth. Slowly we are moving towards the deepest point of the earth, the Mariana Trench. This is the place, students, which is the deepest in the earth. If you can dive inside the ocean, Pacific Ocean, you can reach the maximum down the deep point of the earth, but it is not possible practically to reach there. And then, students, we often feel earthquake. That is, the earth is feels tremor, the earth shakes. That is the earthquake. And most of the this earthquake actually comes from the eruption of volcanoes, and 75% of the world's active and both dormant volcanoes are present in the Pacific Ocean, and that place is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. It looks like a horseshoe. See, the entire shape is as if like a horseshoe. So this was about the largest ocean of the world, the Pacific Ocean. Now let's move on to the second largest ocean of the world, that is the Atlantic Ocean. Slowly from Pacific Ocean we are moving towards the Atlantic Ocean. Now you see, Atlantic Ocean divides It's almost S shaped. You see, approximately the shape is like S. So, Atlantic Ocean, it is the second largest ocean. It is S shaped. You see, almost the shape is like S, and this S shaped ocean basin separates America. This is America from Europe and Africa. And it seems that almost all the oceans of the world is somehow connected to Atlantic Ocean. They all meet in Atlantic Ocean. And there is an underwater mountain range present in Atlantic. How unique, you see, the mountain range is underwater of Atlantic, the mid-Atlantic ridge. How unique, you see, we are slowly moving towards the mid-Atlantic ridge. This is the place where the mountain range lies below the water surface. You see, the water surface over here clearly shows the presence of the mountain range.